Yes, we were out at 3B Off-Road Park in Eureka Springs. A bunch of people. It was myself, Steven, Peter, Andy, and we met Brian with Rough and Flexi Off-Road Group. Thanks for watching.
There you go. Driver a little bit.
There you go. Look at that.
Take the tires out, Peter. Now, hit the cable. Oh, yeah.
You'll get it.
On the left. Go him.
Oh! There you go. Hold it, bro. Hold it where it's at. You're good, man. You got it. Winch it up.
Turn that way a little bit, Peter. There you go. Come on. Go.
Yeah!
Yeah!
You got it. Am I up far enough? Move it.
No, you shouldn't.
Both of these wood ones, they got lockers.
Keep on going, passenger. Going, passenger. There you go. Nice. Very nice.
That's what you were saying. I love it, dude. Oh, watch that tree.
Nice.
Hell yeah, Patrick.
I like wheels.
Oh, Patrick knows. He knows what he's doing. He's fucking get it, man.
Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.